This is a quick video showing how I changed out the Cadillac emblem on the back of my Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. Starting off, I'm going to use some masking tape to mark for the alignment when I put the new emblem on. Just want to make sure I have it in the exact same place. Now I'm going to use a heat gun to soften the glue, and I'll start peeling off the two-sided tape by hand. I'm going to bring the heat gun out again to try to get more of it off. And finally, when it's only a little bit left, I'm also going to use WD-40 to get every last bit of the two-sided tape off. After that, just wipe everything down and we'll be prepped for the new emblem. All right, I have my two-sided tape right here, and I've applied it to the back of the emblem. So when I'm ready to apply it, I'll just peel off the red film and then stick it into place. So now that everything's prepped, I'm going to go ahead and get that Fleetwood emblem lined up and press it into place. After that, it's done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.